and then you're going to multiply that proportion by the natural log.
A special STEM day. Whale Branch Early College High School is shining a spotlight on STEM education with a 2-day workshop led by the South Carolina Governor's School for Science and Mathematics.
Whale Branch Early College High School is a medtech school. And being a medtech school, I thought it was imperative to bring STEM Day to Whale Branch so the students could see how STEM evolves in their everyday curriculum. The students were excited about it, just to learn how STEM is a part of their everyday life and how in their course and how it evolves into their courses and how it makes sense to them.
For this engaging STEM activity, students are learning hands-on about biodiversity modeling.
It's looking at what is biodiversity, why is it important, and they use craft beads in order to kind of simulate a biological sample and start working through those common ecological statistics and measures and understanding the weaknesses and strengths of those different measures.
We got to work with bees, like different varieties of bees, and we got to sort them out, and we got to use the calculators and do different calculations, and it just helps you formulate the different populations, and it just calculates the different varieties of a community, and it just helps you learn about all the different stuff that might be going on in an environment.
Basically, we put the beads out, those multiple different ones, so it was like regular beads, stars, turtles, fish, and then we had to write it down, and the amount of beads in each group over the total of beads, and that made us find our formula.
This activity is encouraging students to use a variety of STEM skills.
It's a great introduction to statistics and understanding kind of why math is important and some of those basic skills, understanding proportionality, understanding how to calculate proportions, understanding what those numbers apply to in the real world and how this can affect both careers and management decisions if they're just passionate about conservation.
STEM Day is also exposing students to different types of career pathways.
I think it helps maybe find another career option, something you might be interested in, because there's so many careers that we don't even have an idea or a clue about, and having these opportunities to find something different is important.
About 200 students took part in the STEM on the Go program. The South Carolina Governor's School for Science and Mathematics is a public residential high school for 11th and 12th grade students located in Hartsville. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.